Hey guys, so I just got my April Antipodean witch box, so let's get to unboxing. So my top label is on upside down this month. That's not really a big deal, so let's just pop it in. Okay. I apologize for any crows, birds, cars, planes, trucks. I apologize for all the background noise. So the first thing is the pamphlet, which says 19th of April, Harvest Moon. So we will leave this until the end. Some nice orange paper. Ooh. This box smells amazing. Like citrus and fresh. So start. A wand. Chalk. Little leaf, like a fabric leaf. A piece of goldstone. It's really hard to see in the bag, but that looks so beautiful. Some juniper berries. This is the one thing that I managed to get spoiled on. That's a triple moon with a pentagram. I always forget which way is which. Two orange spell candles. A rook with a sigil. A rune. Don't know which way it should go. Hopefully the pamphlet will tell me. Some incense, which smells quite nice. I'm not much of an incense person, but I do like how that smells. A peach agate. Ooh. That looks really nice. Some insignis pine, which looks like the humidity has gotten to it a little bit. Oh, that smells so good. I think that's what that kind of citrusy smell is. At least some of it. Some lemon myrtle, which smells lovely as well. Consecrated bath salt for health. Orange aventurine. Ooh. I don't think I have any aventurine yet. That's very lovely. sigil. I choose to be kind to myself, reveling in my abundant, affirming, nurturing vitality. So let's go through the pamphlet. It says, the harvest moon, or hunter's moon, is a time for seeking out our desires, for celebrating abundance and fortifying ourselves for the colder, darker months to come. It is a good time to focus on our health, not just our physical and mental health, but also on the ways in which our choices day to day affect all aspects of our life. The world is full of health advice, and there are lots of moralistic judgments placed on our health and our bodies. It is our challenge to rise above these judgments and learn to embrace ourselves fully exactly as we are right now. As witches, we know all bodies are sacred regardless of their state of health. We all exist in a state of perfect imperfection. Chronically ill or disabled bodies are just as worthy of care as any other. So whatever the current state of your body, mind, and soul, know that you are worth cherishing. As we focus on health through the month, strive to be gentle and kind, embracing acceptance, self-love, and a holistic approach to your well-being. The almanac for April 2019 is the 5th of April is the new moon, the 13th is the first quarter, 19th is the full moon in Libra, the harvest moon, and the 27th of April is the last quarter. Alrighty, so let's go through everything. So we've got the birchwood wand, health sigil and affirmation, petite triple goddess moon pentacle pendant. There you go. I knew I would get it wrong, so that one. Autumn leaf spell parchment, so we've got in here as well is the brass gourd incense holder, fruticosa cone incense, the consecrated bath salts for health. And this is a health and vitality bind rune stone, hand dipped spell candles, spell casting chalk, juniper berries, insignious pine, lemon myrtle, goldstone, peach agate, orange aventurine, and then we've got our harvest moon wand dedication ritual, and on the back it's got some of the health deities. These deities of health, vitality, and well-being can be invoked in your workings if desired. And we've also got a recipe for lemon myrtle roasting based. So that's everything that I got in my April Antipodean witch box. This one was definitely quite jam-packed full of beautiful goodies and things that just smell absolutely amazing. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already to see more makeup and more Antipodean Witch Box unboxings. Hope you have a blessed day.